Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Tehseen Tajweed al-Quran English version. Today we will learn joint letters and this is our part 2. In this lesson we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Every student must identify every alphabet in a word. For example, Lam alif la is actually lam plus alif. We will also learn the different shapes of particular letters. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نون خا या है बाजीब या मीम बा मीम नून मीम ता मीम सा मीम. Right side word is tha and left side is meme. Ba ya noon ya ta ya tha ya noon ba lam. Here is a three words, noon, ba and lam. Noon ba lam ta noon lam ba ya lam ya ta lam tha lam. Here you can find two shapes of tha lam. Noon ba noon ba noon noon ta ya noon ya ta noon tha noon जीम ha kho ha tha kho ba. Right side is a kho and left is ba. Jim ta ta ha ta ya jim ba ba khota. Ba kha and ta, three words are here. Ta ha ba ta ya ha ta ha noon ta ha. There is another shape of ha. Ya ha ba ba ha alif ba ha mim dal lal. Please concentrate on word sound as well to pronounce them as per their voice. Lal, jim dal, kho lal, ra, za, jim ra, khaza. Today lesson completed. Now you please practice this lesson for 2 days and we will learn soon our next lesson inshallah. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.